What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalie and welcome to Life with Natalie. So today's video is a haul. I'm trying out Temu. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I've seen some TikTok videos of the girls pronouncing it Temu. So we're gonna go with Temu or Temu. I apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but I picked up a few items from that website and I wanted to try it out. I didn't get many things. I just wanted to see like what they're talking about. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody is raving about them. Everybody's raving about the prices. But if you ask me, I still think Shein prices are still unbeatable. We're gonna test the waters today and try out Temu's products. I'm not gonna just downplay them out back. So this is the bag that they send this in. I didn't get many items. I think I got like maybe 10, a little over 10 items. You can expect some baby clothes in here. I think I got some maternity clothes. I don't remember. And I got some accessories. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so let me tell y'all something. They really be bagging the heck out of these things. Like, I didn't realize I ripped some of the stuff, but one thing about them, they're not gonna send you multiple bags. It's kind of like Shein. First thing I got, look how adorable. I got this little cream little onesie. Now the material is pretty thin, I would say that, but this is so cute. This is just too stinking cute. But again, the material is see-through. It's really thin. I got a 6 to 9 month, so she'll outgrow this quick. And quite honestly, if I wash this a couple times, this will probably get ruined. But this is probably good for a 1 or 2 wear. I like how they got the little buttons up here. Can you unbutton it? You can actually unbutton the buttons up here. I like this little scrunchness. You can obviously open from the bottom if you want to change her diaper. Overall, this is definitely a cute little onesie. For sure. I got a whole bunch of African net. Me and my husband both have African nets, and I'm like, I don't remember how long they say you're supposed to have it, so I'm like, it's time for some new ones. So I bought some African nets for cleansing, and it comes in 3. So I got these colors. I think this is what they had available at the time. They feel really hard. I'm assuming as you wet them, they get softer, because the ones I have upstairs that me and my husband use now, I think I got them from Amazon. So I don't remember if they came this rough, but I'm assuming once you wash it, it'll soften up. So yeah. All right. I'm hoping I don't give birth to a big baby, because if she can't fit these, I'm gonna be so heartbroken. Like, this is so freaking cute. It's a jumper. I think we used to call it jumper back in the day. I forget what they call it now. A romper? I don't know. It's so freaking cute. Oh man, I just love these colors. I really do love neutral colors, but I always love neutral colors that have pop of color in them. Like, I'm not one of those girls that like neutral everything, like gray, white, tan. I can't do that. I need color. I need color in my life. You know what I'm saying? So this is just too stinking cute. Again, the material is really thin. You could probably get a couple wears out of this. Let me see. It's 100% cotton, and it does not feel like cotton. It really does not. But it's just too cute. I forget what size this is. This is a 6 to 9 month. But they don't have it on here. Oh, yes, they do. It's in the back. So this is a 6 to 9 month little jumper onesie. But so adorable. I absolutely love this. So cute. Her little body in this. Oh. This is a little jumper for me. Not jumper, romper. And I'm not sure if I'm probably gonna have it on this side, how it looks. But this is really cute, stretchy. This is definitely great for the summer. I think this would be awesome for like maternity. It's really stretchy. It's actually pretty decent material, so I'm not mad at it. I got a medium, and the material of this is polyester. But this is nice. I really like this. I have to try it on and make sure it actually fits me nice before I go out in public wearing something like this. But yeah, I definitely like this. This is definitely something I could wear, you know, I could throw on even after I go into labor and birth. But it's brown. I like it. So again, if you guys are looking for something cute and easy to throw on, this seems like this may be a go-to. So I also got this bodysuit. I don't even know why I got another black one. Like I have three black bodysuits, but let me see. If I got it in large, and I got it because of, nope, I got it in medium. Why the heck did I get a black bodysuit and have penny? Oh, this is a shapewear. So it kind of like hugs. I don't even know if I can wear this pregnant, but I'll put it on the screen here. But this is definitely stretchy. It's polyamide and elastin. So I'm assuming I got it because I don't know. Yeah, I got a black bodysuit. More likely to be worn for work. I am so sick of my bonnets coming out my head when I sleep. And throughout this pregnancy so far, I've been having braids in my head. So I got a long bonnet, and I got two of them. I got a red and a black one. So I can put on my head. Well, I have pictures on, but let me see. Yeah, that way the braids hang, because I be wanting something that don't come off at night. All my other ones, it's like, bruh, my braids never last because my bonnets are always coming off my head. But these are nice. I got two of these. So if you're looking for extra long bonnets and you got dreads, braids, locks, get these. Whenever I'm washing my face or whatever, I hate when the water trickles down my wrist. So I got these little ball wristbands, so when I'm washing my face, water stops. And then this also goes over my head, so you know, when I am actually washing my face, the water doesn't like mess up my edges. So then I got it in pink, and it's really soft, good material, very cute. It looks like it wasn't poorly made, but there is some unfinishes in this though, so I guess you could say it was poorly made. Didn't even know how they were able to fit this in here, but this is a useful everyday salad spinner. I'm really going to use this for fruits. I don't really make salads, which I should. Maybe I'll make more salads now that I have a salad spinner, but I wanted to use it for my fruits, so when I do wash my fruits, I'm able to dry it, manually dry it, instead of like patting it dry. I seen it on TikTok, so I was like, you know, what the heck, let me buy it. So I just buy it, and I can't wait to use it. I don't know if I want to take it apart right now, but this is how it looks. It's wrapped pretty well, and you can see from the top, it's like real old school. Like if you had a salad spinner back in the day, it's real old school. Like if you grew up in the 90s, it's the same exact one. And I bought some it's supposed to be Vaseline, but I didn't realize it's called Vaseline. It's lip therapy, so it's basically Vaseline. Cocoa butter Vaseline, so I can put on my lips. I've been buying a lot of like lip therapy because with pregnancy, one of the symptoms is dry lips and lips peeling, and I've been getting a lot of that, so I'm doing whatever I can to like take care of my lips. And I feel like my lips got a little darker, but maybe I'm tripping. I've always had a two-tone color lip, but who knows. But yeah, I bought that to take care of my lips. Oh, I didn't realize I bought shades. I bought some shades. Although I have plenty that's sitting in here, which should be in the car, but I wanted to try these style. I don't know how this look. I like it. These shades are cute. Hopefully I remember to put these in the car, but I have a whole bunch of shades, and I think some cars need like a shade organizers, but I want like a tier. Somebody need to put a tier in the car so I can put all my shades in there. This is liquid blush. Let's open this up and see. All right, so I have another liquid blush, but I got this color, which is one Colorable liquid blush number 103 Devoted. Let's see. I don't think that it's gonna really go with me, but let me try to blend it out with my hands. I don't know if that blended out well, but that's this blush. I'll have to like look at it in a mirror. Let me see. I actually like it. It's very subtle. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the camera, but yeah, I like it. I don't really wear blush as much, but I'm trying to be one of those blush girlies. So yeah, if you guys have a color you want to recommend to me, let me know down in the comments. I got me some drawers, underwear. Your girl's running out of underwear because I'm getting thick and my undies are not fitting. So I got these underwears. Of course, I'm gonna put them on the washer machine. You don't want to put underwear on without washing them. These look like they're so thin, but I need them to be thin and comfy. I got a medium, and it comes in all these cute colors. I think it's 7. Dang. Yeah, it comes in all these cute colors. So I'm gonna put these to the side so I can give them a little washy wash. Hopefully they fit too. Last but not least, I got some box cutters. Your girl can't be opening these things, right? So I got these little cloud shape box cutters. Like a little blade in there, and then you whoop, and it opens right up. So these little blades pack some power. Open it right up. So I'm gonna keep these by the door because that's where I usually open my packages. But yeah, so far so good. I actually like everything that I bought today. So I'll definitely be checking them out more often. If you guys have any other companies you guys want me to try out, let me know down in the comments, and I got you. But so far, I'll definitely be shopping with Temu. I'll definitely be rocking with them and shopping with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you've made it this far, please give this video a like, and let's try to get this video to at least 15 likes. That's all I'm asking for, 15 likes. Because the more likes, the more my video gets pushed out to other people who are just as curious. You know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna know what's crazy? I haven't had sleep for 2 nights. You can't even tell. I just got this burst of energy. I usually get bursts of energy when I get packages in the mail anyway. So, anyway, I'll catch you guys in another video. Be sure to follow me on my social media. Bye.